We've got a rare snow day here in Louisiana. Ice, freezing rain last night and stuck to the grounds and caused quite a lot of problems on the interstates. Unfortunately, my wife works for DOTD and is at work she was at work all last night, and now she's trying to sleep it off, and she's got to go back in tonight because they're thinking they're going to need her tonight. But we've seen some really cool stuff. We saw some river otters that actually came from across here, swam, checked out my dogs. Actually, the Rougarou actually noticed them and started talking to them, so he went down to go check them out, and I was able to get some cool video. We've got this new puppy, and she's having a good time. She is Luna Moo is what we've named her, and she is a Borador, which is a Border Collie Lab mix. She was, I guess, dropped off on the street somewhere. My wife, one of her coworkers, picked her up, and now she's ours. But apparently it is like a hybrid breed, like a Labradoodle or something that people are starting to do. So she's cute, and Rougarou's chilling, and we're at the house chilling literally because it's 11:15 and it's I think 26 degrees outside. So it's not the best day to be outside, but don't have to be at work. Unfortunately, my wife does, but we've got quite a view here and enjoying the day. And I'm going to share those videos too that I just took of the river otters out playing. So see y'all next time, and enjoy the videos of the river otters. If there's news media playing in the background, I apologize. We were watching the Weather Channel. What about Luna Moo? Say goodbye. Bye-bye.